which way to wear the hat today, huh? This way, or this way, or this way. I just wear it normal. All right, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I want to pause and go get my drink. I'll be back. All right, so I'm just goofing in the sim. All right, so long story short, it's mid-year report. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. Mid-year. So we're at my mid-year point. I don't have anything active right now. Everything is at admin. Mid-year, I am waiting for 174 and 175 to reset. So that isn't until July 4th. So I'll be taking this period of time off, working strictly in the sim. If I do trade, going back to, I'm working, everything's been a shit show lately. Actually, this half year's been a shit show. And I want to show you where I am. Let's just keep this up while we're talking. This is a 3R stop, and this is a 3P target, and then excuse me, 3, 6, 9, and I've got 18 contracts right now going. I've lost the first 2, and I'm just playing here. All right, so where were we? Let's get ATF up. Offline, that's no good, going down. This whole movement, I don't know why I'm trying to go long and a down. That's just stupid on my part. It seems to be par for the course right now for me. That's why I'm kind of excited about taking some time away and regrouping. Let's bring this over. This is kind of interesting that they have now. So you can see how many I've had PAs this year. And you can see, well, it only goes back, it looks like it only shows the last 10 maybe. See, this year I'm working in the 25K now, and I have had 4 PA accounts. And I started with 125, I believe, this year, EA 125, and I'm at EA 175. What's that, 50 EAs? And 4 of them have become PAs, and I have not been paid in 2024. So 50 by 4 is not awesome. So roughly every 12.5 EAs right now, I am getting to the PA, which I need to improve that amount. So 4 divided by 50, I am right now getting 8% of my EAs to PA right now. This is the half year mark. So maybe this will work out, maybe it won't. On the side, what I've done is try to slow my trading down. I mean, this is definitely a short signal here. I want to reverse this crap. Hold
on. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
and then it goes straight up. Yeah, this is what's going on in my trading right now. It seems like I'm catching the tops and bottoms and reversing on what ends up being a temporary bottom. I actually added another signal into my charts as this gold line crosses underneath the white line. I want to, and then the other are showing, then I want to go the other direction, going for the gold line. The gold and the white line, that's definitely when you see a good signal, like here going up, and you see it's been up since that point, right? White line's above the gold line, but you can look where the gold line crosses over and you have the white line cross, then you see a nice move up too. So you see a nice move white over gold here, signifying that you could get in early at that point. And you can look back, see where the gold line crosses over the white line, and you see a nice downward move there. Ideally, we want to make a new high. And this is showing a crossover again. Wow. Yeah, this is why I'm going back pretty much to the drawing board again, because it seems like everything I'm doing in the NQ is not working overall. Definitely a short signal here on this
Order
chart.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And you got unlimited funds in the sim, you can goof, right? Uh, big picture. Let's look at the big picture right now. See the white lines above the gold line. So up is better than the down right now. Well, it looks like a market that's ready to head back up right now. I want to reverse again.
Order canceled. Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Let's get up to 100
Order
contracts here.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See how much we can lose here. Or win. like to see it get up to here. So we'll just keep goofing in this as we talk. I'm kind of happy about the time away. I need it. I've been trying all kinds of stuff these last 6 months. And like I said, I'm only 8% getting to the PA right now. There we go. Now we're moving. Now we're boogieing. And this is what happens when you have unlimited funds. You can just keep on going till you find your way out of a hole. Definitely not the way to trade, but I definitely think that we've got some opportunity to move up. That's kind of the target right now. Let me show you what I'm thinking of. We have a prior mark up here with volume figures that I think we can hunt. This is where I want to get to break even. Well, it come down in a hurry, didn't it? No, just hold on. I think we're going to take that target out. Got close, couldn't get to it. Couldn't get this moving quick enough here. It looks like it wants to go up. I don't want to get knocked out on something I believe it's going to go. I'll hold on the 200 bar line down here. There we go, a little bit higher there. I still believe we do that. Let's get this off the screen. Got a double top on the 3-minute chart here. Unlimited funds. I want to. This is can get the 3-minute crossover right there. Sim account is so much easier to use. Why is it across all the in the sim account you can move things on your other charts? All right, now I really want to go after this target overall. Actually, I think that we could hit. Next move might go to 20,000. Let's get up there to the 20,000 mark. Maybe that's in play right now again. And since we're goofing, move that out of the way. I want to change the color of this dark purple. It's hard to see. Let's move charts around here where I want them. All right, let's go up to 200.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
150.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go after 1995. 1994. At 4:05 in the afternoon. See if we get a run here in the last 10 minutes. Going for the 20,000 mark. Kind of lose track of time sometimes when I'm goofing. See if we can get this sim back to 0. Got a chance to get to even earlier. It's always fun to be able to goof and not have any stress.
Order canceled. Order filled.
All that for a little bit of a gain. Oh, I don't know where my chart is. So commission cost, we lost a little bit of money. That's all right. All right, so problem with the charts is it overlays it on top of the chart itself when you're trading it. So it's hard to see a crossover on the 1, 2, 3 chart. And obviously it's hard to see when it's late in the day too. But it's hard to see this as well. Oh shit, I just X'd out of that. So let's get rid of the workspace itself, not save it. And bring it back up. So it's working, loading. I mean, if you're looking at the chart, you have the 369 showing a down move, the 1, 2, 3 showing a little tick up, trying to cross back to the other side. And then you're seeing the 3-minute chart showing still an up move. I'm not sure about the color right there. I might go with a different color. A little brighter gold maybe. So I'll just put another EMA out. Goldenrod right now. I'm already using yellow. Black on black, right? That'll work. What if we use slate gray? What would that look like? No, we got the gray out there already. Got blue. What if we, no, green's already shown the up bars. No, we have orange. That's what orange looks like. I want something, I need something that'll stand out, but not interfere with everything. Magenta. Hot pink. we go with a gray of some kind? Nope. We're using, let's cyan or cyan. It's not too bad. Let's look at that. That's not too bad. I like that. I guess we could change the white and the blue around. Kind of like the white being 15 though, because I got that on all my other charts. Seeing it cross right here and then up it goes. See it cross right here and down it goes. Crossing here and up it goes. Trying to simplify. Bottom line, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to simplify my trading down inside the NQ because I mean, yesterday I failed another PA number 24. So this year I've thrown $130 away 4 different times. And that has me wondering, how am I going to approach the last half of 24? I mean, I've slowed my EA trading down, so I'm happy about that. I only had 50 EAs for the first 6 months, so that means I'm on target for 100 EAs maybe. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can solve something along this way, this road that I'm on. I mean, I do like the idea of using key areas in trading, like this red line can be moved down to here now for tomorrow's trading. Maybe I should have moved it down earlier and I would have hit the target then. So, but I had it right there. Maybe I would have been closer to making this profit target today. It's a lot easier to move 6 contracts on this platform than to move 150 something or whatever it was right at that point, 48 or whatever I was at that point. In the 25K, you're limited to 40 MNQs. And ideally, you don't want to get anywhere near that. You want to stick to 6, no more than 12 in the MNQ on the 25K. I knew coming into this week I was ready to take some time away. I'm looking forward to a break. July is going to be as normal, a month that I will trade a week here, taking a vacation. So I've got up through this rest of this week, up through the 4th, 5th. I will start trading again, and I'll trade the week of the 8th through the 12th, and then I'm going on vacation for a week, and then I'll start trading the 22nd of July, and that'll be my mid-year area where I'm trading the 22nd of July until roughly the 2nd week of December. Roughly, that's kind of my overall goal right now. A few things I've learned along the way. it's not easy to, most of my difficulties that I have at ATF, Apex Trader Funding, are self-inflicted. So I am looking forward to just looking at the sim kind of after fact of trading and going through the trading day and seeing things that I haven't necessarily seen when I'm in the heat and the battle of trading. One of the things that I've got to get back to is having a set period of trading. You know, looking at the open and then waiting to 10 o'clock. Letting the first 30 minutes go, trade 10 to 11:30. I've got to get into a rhythm of where I'm comfortable with trading right now. I've lost a lot of my confidence, to be honest, in over this last 6 months of trading. The NQ has been a very tough market for me to learn. I've traded just about everything over the years in the futures markets. ES, YM, now the NQ. I've traded the Russell. I've traded gold, bond, gold, silver. No, never trade silver. Silver market's way too volatile with its market, but I traded gold in the past. I've traded the grains. I've traded live cattle when I first started trading. I've been trading, you know, thank goodness for longer term trading, because that's where I've made most of my money over the years, that I don't show and showcase, because it's not rocket science to be a long-term trader. You just buy on dips and hold. Buy on dips and hold. There's no rocket science to that. Do the Warren Buffett, the intelligent investor, value investing. I mean, that's find a price that you're willing to hold Coca-Cola and add to it. It's not rocket science to be a long-term trader, long-term investor, whatever you want to call it. Day trading, though, it's been difficult. I'm actually applied at Apex, though, to see if I can work for them, make a little extra income, and see what the requirements are to work for them. If I can't trade at Apex, then I don't want to do it. So that makes it pretty simple in that sense. If you're not allowed to trade at Apex, I don't want to do it. How about those Vols, Tennessee? National champions in baseball. Pretty cool. Looking at several job opportunities right now, starting in August, maybe. There's a few companies that I'm looking at right now that are looking at me. We got football season coming up with both boys playing to the same university, CalU, California University of Pennsylvania. Now it's called Penn West of California. Actually, I want to change this to a purple that I can see a little bit better as well. I mean, I'll look at trading the Bollinger Bands too, you know. I mean, if you knew where to catch it, when it tightens in, you know it's going to break out one way or the other. Let's see if we can find a good example of it being really tight. Here's an area where it's tight at the end, and you're looking for a breakout. Here's another area where it kind of tightened in, breaking out. Another area that's tightened and then it breaks. I mean, in the end, trading could be simple. There's another area it's tightened in, then it breaks, and then it breaks, and then doesn't do anything. Here's an area that it tightened in and then broke. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'm trying to simplify my trading. What I'm doing right now, bottom line, is not really working. At an 8% success rate with no money coming out in the last 6 months, that's telling me that what I'm doing is not working. Fairly simple. 174 and 175 will reset on the 4th of July at roughly $30. So that would be 60 bucks into the mid-year mark. And obviously I'm in more this year than I've made. I mean, if you take 50 times 30, 1500 plus 100. I know that's not true, but that's just 130 by 4 is 520, 1500. So I'm in roughly about 2020. Let's say it's at 80%. So I'm definitely in. I'm probably about 1700 this year so far. The first 6 months. At some point, if this doesn't work out, I've got to. There has. It's the dilemma, right? I don't like that. Do I like the blue over there or not? Talking about. I'm going to keep fiddling with this. So you notice all the charts have a 15 and a 50 and a 200. This one actually doesn't have a 200 bar. It looks like now it must have come off. Oh, there it is. It's hanging out, but it's not. We need to bring it up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. I mean, there's got to be a way to dice this. And it might be as simple as just trading off the 3-minute chart and ignoring all the other stuff that I see. Maybe getting rid of the 1, 2, 3 tick chart. I mean, I like the 1, 2, 3 for entering, but maybe it's as simple as having it like this, and then when you're ready to trade it, bringing it up, or moving it off of screen and using other charts maybe leading with the 369 chart. Or leading with the 3-minute chart and then pressing the entry point off screen. So have less entries. One of my difficulties, let's just save this like this right now. One of my difficulties on the 1, 2, 3 tick chart. Let's see, I want to small this out. That works. All right. One of the difficulties of the quick moving chart is it shows multiple signals too fast and there's too many entry points. Anyway, so let's just save this setting right here. And we'll just, I like this time of the year where I can just relax a little bit and kind of play with things and see which way I want to go. You can tell when the market's really working, you know, opening up at 9:30, seeing a long signal right here, falls short above the 50 bar, long signal again, we're above pivot, true down signal there, an up move. You have less signals on the 3-minute chart, and that might be where I head. Just get rid of all the other charts. Maybe use the 369 chart, get rid of the 1, 2, 3 tick chart. It has not been favorable for me. Using a 369 and a 3-minute chart and keeping, I'm leaning towards less entries is what it's about right now. Less entries, take my lumps on the 3R move against me and be done on the day. All right, we're going to wrap it up there. So we will, well, I'll be off until, what I tell you, I might put some video content up between here and the 4th, but I'm going to trade the week of July 8th. After these two reset on the 4th of July. So Monday, July 8th, that week I'll be trading. Vacation week, then coming back. So I'll get 3 weeks roughly off from trading, and then physically starting my overall trading on July 22nd, going from 22nd of July into the end of the year. So take this time to regroup, rebuild, decide. I'm basically thinking about knocking the 1, 2, 3 chart off and then using pulling this 3-minute chart and bringing in, where is the where do you bring in, is it up here? bringing this in. And using the 3-minute chart to trade off of. Let's pull the chart trader off of the 1, 2, 3 tick chart. And think about this setup maybe. This will cause less entry points over time and maybe a better trade result overall. Less entry points is not a bad thing, because right now what I'm doing is not working. Using the 3-minute, the 369, and I don't know what to do with the 1, 2, 3 chart right now. It's just, I like that 1, 2, 3 because it gives you a nice entry points when the market's moving back over, and it gives you some solid moves to stick with. The biggest nemesis at ATF, Apex Trader Funding, is still and always will be the max daily drawdown if you trade in too much size. All right. Once again, today for me it was midpoint of the mid-year for me, and today was June 25th, 2024, and we are going to be taking some time away from the markets for a little bit. Bye for now.